Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. And from here we just have to go into account in the bottom right corner, scroll down, and under the app section we find display setting. And here we just have to select which one we want to have, either light mode, dark mode, or system, which means that the app is going to use the system setting for the light mode on the phone. And yeah, we just tap it like this, and then it's going to switch right away. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.